Well, here's a little story about Harley-Davidson. You know, they had a good deal on Harley-Davidsons. Big sale going on there. And this was last winter, you know. So a guy thinks, well, I'll go get me a motorcycle. And then you go in and you sign all them papers to get that there motorcycle, you know. And get the loan, you get the bike, you take the bike out on the road, you enjoy it, you go places, you do things, you're having a great time. But before the first payment comes up, guess what? Oh my gosh, you got sick. Well, you had the insurance. Now that's going to cover the payments for a while. All of a sudden, you get to feeling better. You're not sick no more. And my gosh, they want you to pay back the loan. Can you believe that? I was shocked, just like all the people that are shocked that they got to pay back student loans. You make the loan, you pay it back. That's simple. P.S. No, I didn't buy a new motorcycle. Who can afford that? You got a family to raise, you know what you can borrow, because you do have to pay it back, don't you?